Hello friends, this is your Yoganandam, biology lecturer from Edall Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the important topic from biology 11th standard syllabus. The topic is morphology of flowering plants. From this topic, we are going to discuss one of the important family, Malvaceae family. So this family newly added for NEET 2024 examination. Let us discuss about some general characters about Malvaceae family. Malvaceae family is otherwise called as Mallow family. First, we are going to discuss about systematic, systematic position of Malvaceae family. So, what do you know about the systematic position? This family belongs to class Dicotyledonnae. What do you know about Dicotyledonnae? So, you're talking about Dicotyledonnae. Embryo with two cotyledons. That means seed with two cotyledons. Dicotyledons, leaf source, reticulate venation. Flowers are tetramerous or pentamerous. What do you know about tetramerous? Tetramerous mean sepals. There are, calyx consists of 4 sepals. Corolla consists of 4 petals mean tetramerous. If the calyx consists of 5 sepals, corolla consists of 5 petals are called as pentamerous. So these are all general characteristic features of dicotyledons. Followed by subclass polypetalae. Polypetalae mean petals are free. So stamens are free. All these plants are placed under subclass Polypetalae. It belongs to the series Thalamiflorae. Flowers have prominent thalamus. Thalamus means floral axis. Flowers are hypogynous. Hypogynous means ovary is superior. Ovary is present above the floral parts such as sepals, petals, and stamens. Such kind of flowers are called as hypogynous flowers with a superior ovary. Order Malvaceae. Malvaceae have certain important diagnostic features here given under the order Malvaceae. Flowers and plants have certain important diagnostic features. So generally, leaves with palmate venation. What is the meaning of palmate venation? Often there are principal veins arising from the base of the leaf blade. So here, try to remember the veins arise from the base of the leaf blade. Such kind of venation is called as palmate venation. What is venation? The mode of arrangement of veins and veinlets on the leaf blade or lamina is called as venation. So here, our veins arise from the base of the leaf blade. Such kind of venation is called as palmate venation. How many veins? There are 3 principal veins, important veins arise from the base of the leaf. At the same time, vegetative parts of the plant body possess mucilage canals. Mucilage canals secrete some gum-like fluids. Vegetative parts of the plant body possess stellate hairs. Stellate hairs are otherwise called as star-shaped hairs. That hair-like structures are present on the vegetative parts such as stem, leaves. Vegetative parts of the plant body possess star-shaped hairs. Try to remember that point, also important. Then stipules. Stipules are small leaf-like structures found at the base of the leaf stalk. So these also present in the family members of Malvaceae. Families under Malvaceae included Malvaceae family, Sterculaceae family, Liliaceae family. Totally, there are how many genera included under Malvaceae family? 244 genera. And how many species are included under Malvaceae family? 4,225 species are included under Malvaceae family. Where does these family members are distributed? All over the world. So it is commonly called as cosmopolitan. Distributed everywhere, mostly found in tropical regions. These family members grow where the water availability is moderate. So these plants are commonly called as mesophytic plants. And some plants are growing in the form of small sized plants, which are called as herbs. Some plants are growing in the form of bushy appearance, called as shrubs. Some plant species are growing in the form of trees. So the Malvaceae family members are available in the form of herbs, shrubs, and trees. Is herbs example Sida, Abutilon, Urina. Shrubs example Gossypium, Hibiscus. Trees example Thespecia and Caidia is given. Some plants are growing in the form of prostrate herbs, that may be in the form of creepers with tailing branches. Example, Malvastrum coromandelianum, Sida cordata, and Horned rambling shrub. That plant is commonly called as Hibiscus epididymis. So these are all some common examples given for Malvaceae family members. See the diagrammatic representation here. The Sida species is given in the diagrammatic form. See the photographic structure. Althea and Hibiscus species. Here the cotton plant is given Hibiscus species. Thespecia populia, Caidea. These are all some common examples given in the form of photographs. See that. So in this page also given some examples with diagrammatic representation. So let us discuss about vegetative parts of the plant body. So already we have discussed, try to remember. Vegetative parts of the plant body covered by stellate hairs. Stellate hairs are nothing but star-shaped hairs with mucilage sacs. Because of the vegetative parts of the plant body secrete some gum-like substance which is called as mucilage substance. Root system. This family belongs to the class Dicotyledonnae. So what kind of root system is present? Taproot system is well branched. Leaves. Simple. Simple mean only one leaf is attached at each node. Palmately lobed. The mode of arrangement of leaves alternate. Only one leaf is attached at each node in alternate manner. Leaves with a stipule called as stipulate. Leaves with petiole called as petiolate with variously lobed margins. Leaves possesses infolded structures which are called as lobes. So variously lobed margins are present in the parts of the leaves. Stipules are free lateral in hibiscus. Caducus in nature. Caducus means calyx fall off before the opening of flower. And what type of inflorescence in the family of Malvaceae? Solitary. Solitary means single flower found in the axil of the leaves. So it is commonly called as solitary axillary. Example, hibiscus, solitary terminal, single flower found at the tip of the plant body in Gossypium, terminal panicles in Caidea. Flowers are brightly colored with bracteoles, bisexual. Both androecium and gynoecium present in the same flower called as bisexual. Actinomorphics. Flower can cut into two equal halves at any vertical direction. Hypogynous. Ovary superior. Cyclic. The mode of arrangement of floral parts in cyclic manner. Calyx consists of 5 sepals. Corolla consists of 5 petals. So it is called as pentamerous. 5 and their multiplications are called as pentamerous. Outer two walls are differentiated into calyx and corolla. So it is commonly called as dichlamydious. All the 4 floral whorls are present, such as calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. So the flower is commonly called as complete flower. The whole of bracteoles present outer to the calyx is called as epicalyx. It is service called as involucral. In unisexual flowers, Napia and Polygametoceous, Caidea, these are all some exceptions. In these cases, unisexual flowers. That means, unisexual means male and female flowers are separate. See the diagrammatic representation here very clearly given. Epicalyx. The whole of bracteoles seen outer to the calyx is called as epicalyx. The number may be differ from one flower to another flower. 3 in Malva, 5 to several in hibiscus, several in Althea, large and foliaceous in Gossypium. Bracteoles are absent in Sida and Abutilon. The outermost wall of the flower is called as calyx. Calyx consists of how many sepals? 5 sepals. Sepals are united. So it is called as gamosepalous. Sepals just touch one another without overlapping. So it is called as valvate estivation. Corolla consists of how many petals? 5 petals. See the diagrammatic representation. 5 petals. Petals are free from one another. So it is called as polypetalous. It shows what kind of estivation? Twisted estivation. One margin is overlapping with another margin. So this kind of estivation is called as twisted estivation. So here the one margin is overlapping with another margin in regular manner. And androecium, stamens, numerous. See the diagrammatic representation. The Malvaceae family members have numerous stamens. The filaments of stamen fused together form single bundle. So it is called as monoadalpous. where these stamens are attached to staminal tube by union of filaments of stamen. It's called as monodal pus. In Sida, the top of the staminal tube branched. In Sida species, top of the staminal tube is branched. So several filaments. Hibiscus, the top of the staminal tube end with 5-toothed staminodes. Top of the staminal tube is ending with how many staminodes? 5-toothed staminodes. Staminodes are sterile stamens. Near the apical portion, several stamens branch all around the staminal tube. See the diagrammatic representation. Anthus, kidney-shaped. Monothecus. What is monothecus? With a single lobe. Anthus with single lobe, kidney-shaped, reniform. So deck is transversely. Anthus, deck is transversely. Pollen grains with spinose projections. It is called as spineless. Gynoecium. The innermost wall of the flower is called as gynoecium. Gynoecium consists of how many carpels? 3 carpels to many carpels. Ovary is superior. Ovary is present above the floral parts such as calyx, corolla, and androecium. Carpels are united, so it is called as syncarpous. Style with branches as many as double the number of carpels. Ovules 1 or more on axial placentation. Stigma capitate. Stigma with rounded structures which are called as capitate. In hibiscus, it is pentacarpellary. What is the meaning of pentacarpellary? Well, you're seeing the internal structure of the ovary. It has how many divisions? These divisions are called as carpels. With 5 carpels mean that is pentacarpellary. 4 carpels mean is tetracarpellary. So this one is called as carpels. So here the chamber is called as locules. Normally in hibiscus, how many carpels are there? 5 carpels. So it is called as pentacarpellary. How many chambers? 5 chambers. It is called as pentalocular. Pentacarpellary, pentalocular in hibiscus. Multicarpellary, multilocular in abutilon. 5 to 10 carpels in Sida. Caidia, 3 carpels. Urina and Pavonia, style double the number of carpels is given. Try to remember. And what kind of fruits formed in the family Malvaceae? Dry capsule type of fruits. So in Abelmascus and Gossypium, loculicidal capsule. So in Abelmascus and Gossypium, what kind of fruit? That is a loculicidal capsule type of fruit. That fruit wall split into numerous chambers. Abutilon, schizocarpic fruits. Schizocarpic fruits are intermediate between dry dehiscent and indehiscent fruits. Seeds also have mucilaginous substance, kidney-shaped, ovoid, hairless. Glabrous mean hairless. Embryo is straight or curved. Endosperm is present in the form of oily. In Gossypium, epidermal growths seen in Gossypium seeds is generally called as surface fibers. Sida and Urnia, hooks on seeds are present. Hook-like structures are present. See the economic importance from the family Malvaceae. We are getting several economically valuable products. First one is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. It's commonly called as sunflower. This plant cultivated as an ornamental plant. Leaves used as shampoo. Flower bud is used in oil preparation. Roots used for cough-related problems. Hibiscus cannabinus. From the plant Hibiscus cannabinus, fibers are extracted, which is used to prepare roof, floor coverings. Paper manufacturing industries also used by this plant Hibiscus cannabinus. Hibiscus schizopetalus, cultivated as ornamental plants. Hibiscus subterifa, also cultivated as ornamental plants. Calyx is edible. Hibiscus esculentus is commonly called as lady's finger. Abelmascus esculentus, used as vegetable. And Hibiscus mutabilis is commonly called as changing rose, cultivated as ornamental plant. And Hibiscus furcatus used in the field of Siddha Ayurveda as a medicinal plant. Leaf juice used to treat hair-related problems. Hibiscus mosquetus, this plant seed is used to extract oil. That oil is used in the field of perfume industry. Roots used to treat stomachache related problems. Gossypium herbaceum is commonly called as cotton plant. From this plant, fiber is extracted and it is used in cloth industry. Seeds, source for fatty oil, used in soap manufacturing industries as well as lubricants. Oil cake used as cattle feed. Roots for hemorrhage. Thespesia populina is plant wood is used for making boats. Ornamental plants such as Malvaceae, penduliforus. These are all some common examples given. Try to remember for ornamental plants. Althea rosea, also ornamental plant, is commonly called as hollyhock. Malva sylvestris, also ornamental plant. Sida acuta is used as a medicinal purpose. Sida rhombifolia, this plant also used for medicinal purpose. Abutilon indigum, used as a medicinal plant. Roots are used to treat fever. Abutilon megapotamicum, this plant cultivated as ornamental plant. Hibiscus hirtus, ornamental plant. Bombax malabaricum, calyx is edible. Sandal already we have discussed, to try to remember. So here some diagrammatic representation also given. Let us discuss about diagnostic features of the family Malvaceae. So let us recall once again all the diagnostic features one by one. Plants can grow in the form of herbs, shrubs, or trees. Leaves simple. The mode of arrangement is alternate. Leaves with stipule called as stipulate. Leaves with petiole called as petiolate. With entire. Leaf shows serrate margin, toothed margin, or dentate margin. Inflorescence is solitary, single flower, belongs to cymose type of inflorescence. Flowers are bisexual. Both androecium and gynoecium are present in the same flower. Flower can cut into two equal halves at any vertical plane, so it is called as actinomorphic. Ovary is present above the floral parts such as sepals, petals, and stamen. So it is called as hypogynous. Outer two walls are differentiated into calyx and corolla. It is called as dichlamydeous. Calyx consists of 5 sepals, corolla consists of 5 petals, so it is called as pentamerous. The mode of arrangement of floral parts in cyclic manner. The whole of bracteoles are present outer to calyx, so it is called as bracteolate. Complete, all 4 parts are present in the flower. Calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. Bracteoles are present in the form of epicalyx. Calyx consists of 5 sepals. Sepals are united, so it is called as gammosepalous with velvet estivation. Corolla consists of 5 petals. Petals are free from one another with twisted estivation. One margin is overlapping with another margin in regular manner. Androecium with infinite, numerous. Monodalpus, filaments of stamen fused together form single bundle. Monothecus, single with a single lobe, kidney shaped, and thus presence of 5 staminodes on the top of the staminal tube. Gynoecium, ovary superior. 3 to multicarpals are present. Carpals are united. It is called a syncarpus. 3 to many locules. Locules are nothing but chambers with 1 or more ovules present on axial placentation. Fruit is dry capsule type of fruit, loculicidal capsule. Fruits contain many seeds, mucilaginous, woolly or glabrous with oily endosperm. See the diagrammatic representation, the floral diagram. All the floral characters are explained with the help of diagrammatic representation with floral formula. This will represent as bracteoles. The whole of bracteoles present are found outer to the calyx is called as bracteoles. See that bracteoles are called as epicalyx. The whole of bracteoles are forming Epicalyx, maybe number 3 to 8. It is followed by calyx. Calyx consists of 5 sepals. Sepals are united, just touch one another without overlapping. So calyx consists of how many sepals? 5 sepals fused. So bracket is used to represent fused sepals. Just touch one another without overlapping. It is called as valvate estivation. See the second wall of the flower, corolla. Corolla consists of 5 petals. Petals are free from one another. It is called as polypetalous. One margin is overlapping with another margin. It's called as twisted estivation. One margin is overlapping with another margin in regular manner. This kind of arrangement is called as twisted estivation. Then andesium, numerous filaments of andesium, filaments of stamen fused together form single bundle. It is called as monoadalpous. Kidney shaped, reniform. Then the innermost wall of the flower is gynoecium. Gynoecium also with how many carpels? 5 carpels, pentacarpellary. All the carpels are united. Syncarpus, so written within the bracket. Pentacarpellary, pentalocular, syncarpus, superior ovary. When we put line below G, it represents superior ovary. BR, bracteate, flowers with bract called as bracteate. Flowers with bracteoles are called as bracteolate. Actinomorphic, flower can cut into 2 equal lobes at any vertical plane. So it is called as actinomorphic. Bisexual, both andesium and gynoecium are present in the same flower. It is called as bisexual. So based on the floral diagram and the floral formula, if you are understanding everything is very easy. So this floral diagram and the floral formula given for Hibiscus rosa sinensis, China rose flower. So in this class, we have discussed some basic information from the family Malvaceae. Thank you very much for listening. Those who are watching our videos, you are requested to like, subscribe, and share to your friends. All the best.